Hi and welcome back to my channel, the Queen Phoenix. Today I'm just going to show you how to make this cute little bow that I've made to put on the basket, the handle of my little basket here. So let's get right into it. You don't need a lot of wool for this. So some scrap yarn would be perfect. You can see the little bit I'm using. You will make a magic ring or a magic circle, whichever one you would like to call it. Once you have your magic ring, please secure this with a slip knot. Now chain 5. Oops, my camera is shaking. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the same magic ring, you're going to work 3 trebles. So you know it's yarn over twice. 1, 2, 3. Chain 5 and slip stitch back into your magic ring. Chain 5 again. And again, you're going to make your 3 trebles. And your chain 5. Slip stitch back in to the same magic circle. So this is what you'll have. So you would have seen throughout I've been pulling the circle tighter, but not too tight. Now is the time when I'm going to pull the ring closed nice and tight. I'm going to pull this loop up. I want a long loop, which I'm going to cut here. So you have this part here. I'm right-handed, so I'm just gonna take the tail piece into my left hand and hold my bow mainly with my left hand. I'm gonna take this yarn and I'm gonna wrap it around the center. Can you see I'm not I'm not pulling this tight, just gently. So my one tail is on this side, the other tail, can you see it's more on that side? I'm going to make a knot. Because I use these bows for decoration on my work, I like to leave tails, and I use the same tails to attach it to the work. And that is my bow. If you want to stick this on, you can work in your tails and cut them off, but I'm actually going to use this on a project now. So I will be darning in these tails. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. Enjoy crocheting. Peace.